Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to forbid applications from using our calendar functions in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to find this option? We need to go to settings, of course, then in security and privacy we have privacy options. And here we have permission manager. In permission manager we have every possible permission that can be granted. We are interested in calendar. As you can see right now, 6 out of 10 installed applications that can use calendar are allowed to use this function. Let's take a look. So few are allowed and a couple are not. Let's take away some permissions. For example, I don't want Outlook to look at my calendar. Do not allow, back out, and as you can see, our Outlook application now can't see our calendar. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.